Cyberbullying is a type of emotional harm that affects people via online environments, marked by deliberate and repeated behavior intended to cause distress that it can negatively affect a person's mental health and self-esteem, causing emotional distress and social withdrawal over time. That we should know that if we encounter any cyberbullying situation, if we are under 18, we can apply to the public prosecutor's office and law enforcement with our family and evidence. And if we are over 18, we can apply to the public prosecutor's office and law enforcement in person with evidence. Digital bullying causes real wounds.